How to claim bonus in one win. So if you want to claim bonus or if you want to use the bonus code in one win, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just open up your browser. Now, according to the guidelines, only players older than 18 years are eligible to register on this bookmaker and receive rewards. So you must also register to win promotions. If you meet both requirements, follow these steps to win a one win bonus sport. So if you want to get the bonus, then first you need to log into your bet profile. After that, you need to navigate to the promotions page and then choose your preferred promo and fulfill its entry requirements to get started. Or if you want to use them, then you need to log into your bet profile and then stake on fixtures with three odds or more to full sports, betting, wagering requirements, wager a certain number of times to meet casino betting wagering requirements. In this way, you'll be able to claim and use one win bonuses. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.